Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can revert message color blue. So if you got like green and you want an easy switch back to blue, it's actually very simple. So when you send a text message and it's green, that usually means it's sent through your carrier, your SIM, or your SMS, your SIM. But if you want those blue bubbles, I'll show you how you can do that. Just simply press on settings, scroll down till apps and press on apps, and right over here just type in messages and go to messages. Right over here, make sure iMessage is turned on and your send and receive is either sent to your Gmail or your number. Just make sure it's set to one of those. After that, you can go back and then go to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or your mobile service or cellular data is turned on. After that, go ahead and text. See if it works. It's gonna work. So yeah, this is basically it. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next